Begin with a tabletop pose where your palms are in line with your shoulders and knees in line with the hips. Adjust and align your palms and knees. As you inhale, lift the head up and bring your lower back down. As you exhale, bring your chin to the chest and raise the middle back up. Repeat slowly. Observe the movement of your spine and try to sync it with your breathing. With each inhalations, your chest is expanding, and with exhalations, your core is engaged. To release the pose, inhale and return spine to neutral. To begin, lie on your back. Keep your arms beside your body, palms facing down. Fold your knees and keep your feet hip distance apart on the floor. Fingertips should slightly touch the heels. Inhaling, slowly lift your buttocks, lower, middle and upper back off the floor. Gently roll in the shoulders. Touch the chest to the chin without bringing the chin down, supporting your weight with your shoulders, arms and feet. Feel your bottom firm up in this pose. Both the thighs are parallel to each other and to the floor. If you wish, you could interlace the fingers and push the hands on the floor to lift the torso a little more up. Keep breathing easily. Exhale as you gently release the pose and come down. Stand straight with your legs together. Lift your left leg up and bend your knee. Grab your ankle and place your feet on the right upper thigh. Focus at a point in front of you and find your balance. While inhaling, lift your hands up and join your palms above your head. Try to be still and relaxed. To support your posture, try to bring your core closer to your spine. Exhale and slowly bring your hands down and release your leg. Repeat from the other side by lifting the right leg and placing it on your left thigh. Tree pose helps to manage stress levels by calming your mind and aligning it with your body. Slowly release the posture. Start in a standing pose with your feet together. Inhale and bring your arms above your head. Keep them parallel to each other. While exhaling, bend your knees and push your buttocks back. Try to bring the thighs parallel to the floor. Maintain tension in the arms and feel the stretch in the sides of the trunk. Lift the head and look up between the palms. Hug your thighs together and tuck the tailbone under to prevent compression in the lower back. Breathe deeply. Hug your belly button towards your spine to get more effect on core. To come out of the pose, inhale. Firmly press the feet and rise to standing. Exhale, relax the arms down. Stand straight, placing your palms on the waist. Open your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn your right toe towards the right side and left slightly towards the right. Your chest and waist should face the right leg. While exhaling, bend your right knee directly over your right ankle. Keep the left leg straight and press the heel on the mat. While raising your hands up, gaze towards the sky. Try to keep the posture firm and still, like a warrior. Bring your hands down and turn your left toe towards the left side and right slightly towards the left. Bend your left knee and go down, bringing the knee over the ankle. Raise your hand up and join the palms above your head. Look up and hold the posture. Engage the core. Notice the power and solidity in your whole body. Exhale. Release your hands. Turn your feet forward and return to the center with ease.